If you're crossing a bridge on a motorcycle and you see that the bridge is blocked, turn your motorcycle slightly towards the right and go through this tiny gap to reach the other side of the bridge. Always park your vehicles near the windows of single-story houses. In case of emergency, tap on the drive button and escape. If an enemy approaches you while you're reviving your teammate, there's no need to press the cancel button before you shoot him. As soon as you press the shoot button, the revive automatically gets canceled and you can kill them easily. Press the punch button and prone button at the same time. You'll then start punching continuously without the need to press any button. It's useful in the initial phases of the game when you don't have a gun. Tap on the punch button again to stop punching. When you spot an enemy on the terrace of this house, go to the first floor and climb this door to surprise your enemy who'd be waiting for you at the stairs. Drop 10 to 15 ammo on the stairs in this way to take advantage over your enemies. When they try to push into your building, by default the auto pickup system would start picking up the ammo, which would slow their sprint speed and allow you to kill them easily while they're busy picking up the ammo. You can cross the river near Rosehawk using a vehicle in this manner. You can check whether a bridge is camped or not in this manner. Park your vehicle over here and start shooting under those broken vehicles. Now look out for a white cross mark, which tells you about the enemy's presence. You're good to go if you don't get any cross marks while shooting. Hold a pan in your hand and press the crouch button. Now move the joystick slightly up. The sound of your footsteps will be reduced to a large extent now. Make sure you're not sprinting. If you're pushing into this building, stop near the stairs and look towards the right box. There's a small gap between the ground and the box, which lets you see enemies hiding behind it. Get down and throw a low-toss frag grenade to finish them. If your enemies are camping and not disclosing their location, start firing like a bot to confuse them. Just change your weapon fire rate to single shot and start shooting bullets randomly like a bot. They'll start rushing towards you to get a free kill, and that's the time to take advantage over them and kill them easily. You can climb on these boxes present inside the warehouse and jump onto this wall to hide and kill your enemies. Ever found a lucky airdrop? You'll only see the image of the outfit over there. If you're unsure about how it'll look on you, just take a note of the outfit's name. Now go to the inventory and scroll down and search for the outfit. You can now exactly see how the outfit looks on you before purchasing it. You can climb a hill faster when you're jumping and sprinting compared to normal sprinting. While playing the quick match in arcade mode, you can go outside the blue zone and loot without losing your health until the first circle begins. If you're near the prison area, climb this tower in the following manner and jump onto the tree in front of it to take a fight while hiding in the most unpredictable spot. Ever wondered how clans rank up? Whenever you play an arcade or a classic match, you get activity points based on your survival ranking. These points, collected by each and every member of your clan, then gets added to the clan activity, which results in increasing your clan level. If you play matches with your clan members, you earn bonus activity points. You can avoid taking fall damages if you land on a vehicle or a teammate standing below your building. You can exit a match when you're at the spawn island without losing any points, but there's a cooldown system introduced by PUBG which works as follows. You won't get any cooldown for the first 5 attempts. After the 5th attempt, you'll get a cooldown of 1 minute. After the 6th attempt, it gets increased to 3 minutes, then 15 minutes, and then 30 minutes for every match you exit. Here's a fun tip. Stand beside a vehicle, click on the emote button. Now click on any one of the peek buttons and the emote at the same time. Once your character starts performing the emote, press the drive button. You'll see that your character performs the emote while seated inside the vehicle.